Okay, January 6th. And thought I'd take a little walk around a little bit. A lot of deer tracks. That's good because we like the deer. I'd like to know that the animals are healthy. Everything looks like it's doing well up here. Don't see any kind of tree damage. Probably about 3 inches of snow, but we got a big storm coming. Although up here they're only talking maybe 4 inches of snow, so that's not bad. It's kind of a east coast and southern storm. I do like to see where all these tracks come from though. Seems like the overabundance of tracks coming from up here. I bet that was a shock to the lilacs. Probably not much of a bloom on them now. It's only about 17 degrees. Oh, there's a little trail right there, so whatever it is making all these tracks is coming from up there, probably in that brush pile I got there. Oh, it is cool. Like I said, it's only 17 degrees right now. Pretty though. Everything's still locked up in good shape. Not sure if you can hear that. "17 degrees and there's water running. Water running under there." Looks good. Looks good. I didn't bring my other camera, so I'm using my phone. Alright, so I'm not going to do any more. Thanks for watching. And this will just be another recording. Like I said, January 6th, 17 degrees. Bye for now.